This is NAB Show Live.
Welcome back. I'm your host, Ryan Salazar. Today we have Alex Persovich, president of Jampro Antennas Inc. and Alan Dick Broadcast. How you doing, sir?
Very well, Ryan. How are you today?
Doing great. So it's great to chat about new announcements and whatnot going into NAB Show every year, and you're certainly no stranger to NAB Show Live. So let's get right to it. So what have you found to be a popular or often requested solution?
For the Repack here domestically in North America, what we have found to be really popular has been our broadband slot antennas. It has allowed stations to operate at their existing channels as well as the eventual channel that they'll repack to, or in many cases act as an interim aux system for their own channels and others. And so that's been real important, because it's meant that stations have been able to stay on the air and not exceed, in many cases, the capacities of the towers where they're located. The weight and wind load of these broadband solutions is a fraction of what other systems like that would be. And we've been offering them not only as just plain horizontal polarized systems, but also elliptical and circular polarized. So that's been real helpful.
Any surprises at all?
Yeah, I think the one thing that surprised us is the amount of VHF work we've seen, both band 1 and band 3. So that's channels 2 to 6 and 7 to 13. Quite frankly, we expected to see a fair bit of it, but not anywhere near the number of antennas, RF systems, and mask filters. And we supplied a whole host of those, from relatively low power, 2-3 kilowatts, up even more, up to 30-35 kilowatts. So that's been pretty interesting, and we've been very enthusiastic with that. That's been really positive.
Okay, so has anything helped Jampro Antennas and Alan Dick Broadcast?
Yeah, I think the thing that's helped us probably more than anything else is also, aside from the products that we've got to offer, is the fact that we're doing, in many cases, full turnkey installations. So that means we're not only manufacturing product and delivering, but we're installing it, we're commissioning, we're doing everything. And that's been very beneficial, because a lot of stations just don't have the staffs and people to be able to manage projects like that.
All right, I'm going to hit you with a surprise now, coming out of nowhere. So I like to do this on a lot of my interviews. We like to talk about favorite places in Las Vegas. You and I have been going to NAB for probably quite some time now. Is there a certain place, a certain part of town, a restaurant, a club, somewhere to have a drink or something like that that you like a lot, and it's a kind of a yearly thing, a memorable thing?
Well, yeah, it sure is. It used to be the Stardust. Which unfortunately is no longer there. So I can't enjoy that. Aside from that, probably there's a little coffee shop down the block at the Venetian. Not the Venetian. It's what is it? The Italian.
Bellagio?
Not the Bellagio. I'm sorry, across from Mirage. That's a place I like to go and have a cup of coffee in the morning and maybe a croissant or something. Not the Paris. I'm sorry, it's the one that looks like Venice.
Okay.
So that's probably one of my favorite places. And for restaurants, there's a couple of favorites that I like, but mostly, it's time is spent with clients and customers. So
cool.
Not too much.
Excellent. I'm having flashbacks to, I forget the name of it. A lot of people know it. It's the breakfast place, the diner that's open like 24 hours a day, and it has neon lights everywhere and black light, and they have the crazy booths. What the heck is the name of that place? But anyways, Alex Persovich, president of Jampro Antennas Incorporated and Alan Dick Broadcast. We'll see you in Central Hall, C1913, that's C1913, at the 2019 NAB Show. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. See you there.